There are 3 people or 4?
Okay, flank tayo ah. Check back din ah.
Wait. Tangina. Just ready your GA. Ready, shallow. 3. Wait. 2, 1. Shallow now. Just hold it. Kiss W.
Lol.
Nice GA.
What are you doing?
How long? Tell Sid again.
Oh. Wait.
5 seconds.
Okay.
10 seconds LC,
Ready.
10 seconds LC.
Ready in the front. 3, 2, 1. Front. In the front. Kill this one.
Die, bitch. Die.
Just
Almost
kill
got
kiss
interrupt.
W. Okay, nice. Kiss double. Pero
Nice.
pressure. They dying.
Bene, wait lang.
Okay. Spread for now.
Crazy
Okay.
CC.
Okay. Just kill this.
Why are you running?
3, 2, 1.
Oy, huwag niyo iwan tong isa.
Stop.
Nice.
Naka-mount up.
Where are you going?
Mag-mount up na.
Nice.
Ay, na.
3M.
Tama.
Oy.
Enemy.
May trackers pa kayo?
There's a party.
Yeah.
Please,
I have no
Another
pads.
party? Okay.
Oh shit.
What com? Oh,
Yung ano,
yeah.
yung cheater.
Kahit just.
Let's reset
I
for
have
them.
no pads.
Yo, full heal muna. Full heal.
Just pull them. Fake. We pull.
Wait lang, magpapalit ako ng skill. Mag-beam ako.
Okay.
Ay,
Bakit
oo.
ang ano?
Kahit then
Bakit
hold here.
position natin?
Wait.
Then tell me when ready again.
Wait lang, Ben.
No load.
Yo, looking.
Light color pull, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna mark
Wait lang, Ben. 5 seconds.
but I'm gonna pick first.
Go.
Wait. Ready na, ano? To
Fake.
Yeah.
Ano gusto mo gawin ko?
pull mo
Ikaw,
sila.
Kahit sino.
Wait lang. Pag nag-clamp sila.
Sige.
Wait. Can you GA? GA. Deep, GA. Ready, after the GA. In 3, 2, 1. Copy now.
Nice one. Oh.
Uy,
Okay, 8. Nice.
We got ni Dodo.
Hihitan tuloy. 88 pala yan.
Tornado.
Salwatch.
Oy, why
What about?
you guys doing, Anji?
Reset.
Ay,
Nag-rigger. What the fuck?
Pull back.
Pabak.
Okay, nice. Keep going northeast.
What you guys doing, Anji?
What the fuck?
Oy, meron pa sa likod. Sa taas natin, sa taas.
Okay.
Wala, nag-mount.
Ipa-flank tayo yun, men.
Let's calm down.
Ready, southwest. Look southwest. Wait.
Fucking ina niyan.
Ang inang dami.
Chill out. Just chill out.
Ikaw na, mount. Mayroon dalawa dito. Bene, apat sa likod.
Copy.
We need
4 people. Don't attack.
Can you mount?
Yeah, mount up.
Mount.
Quick.
Mount the northwest.
Quick.
Nice.
No, I'm baiting them. I'm trying to guard you.
Okay. We can zone on the blue. Go back here on gold.
Gold? Oh, okay.
Or you can zone 6 guys. Zone there, then the other can arbak. Oh, fuck. He's still following?
Yes, they're following.
Yo, it's clear here. Clear dun sa sa blue. Clear sa blue.
Okay.
Yeah, they just keep on regearing.
Inang yan.
You guys fighting Tommy Shelby?
What the fuck? They have 1M loots. We didn't even
Just zone it.
them.
I can zone it.
Literal and
Wala bang walang nag-loot sa atin?
Meron.
Nag-loot.
May nakalot, okay. Do we full split?
Probably.
PvP, I guess. Sige, full split na lang.
Once you zone in, Arbak. Very
Or back.
too much loot. I have like 5M now.
Outlaw din, outlaw.
Yeah, just spread out. We can hide.
Uh,